Hello, Jason. How are you today?
Hello, I'm good, thank you.
Great to hear that. What would you like to work on today?
I want to improve my vocabulary and pronunciation.
Alright, let's start with vocabulary. Can you tell me a word that you recently learned and would like to use in a sentence?
Sure, the word is meticulous.
Great choice. Can you use it in a sentence?
She is meticulous in her work, paying attention to every detail.
Excellent. Now, let's work on pronunciation. Can you say the sentence again, but this time, try to focus on the pronunciation of the word meticulous?
They then proceed to work on pronunciation exercises and have a conversation to practice using new vocabulary words.
Thank you for your help. I feel like I made a lot of progress today.
You're welcome, Jason. I'm glad I could help. Keep practicing, and you'll see even more improvement.
I will, thank you.
No problem. Have a great day.